If you want to become a mobile machine learning expert, then subscribe to this channel and check out our mobile machine learning courses available on Udemy. The discounted coupons are given in the description. Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to look at a platform called Google Colab. So as inside this course, you will learn to train machine learning models for mobile applications. And for training our machine learning models, we are going to use Python programming language. So we need a tool or an IDE where we can run the Python code. So instead of installing any software in your system, we are going to use a very useful tool provided by Google, and with the help of this tool we can run Python code inside our browser. And we don't need to have a powerful system to train advanced machine learning models. So the tool which we are going to use is called Google Colab. So to open it, you need to open your browser and go to Google. And there you can type Google Colab and press enter. And now here you need to click on this link research.google.com Colab. So click on it and the home page for Colab will be opened. So there you can see this page is open. So as I am already using Colab, so I can see this dialog. But if I will click cancel, then you will see this page. So this is the page which you will get if you are using it for the first time. And here at the top right corner, you need to attach your Google account with this platform. Otherwise you won't be able to use it. So I currently logged in using my email address. So that is the basic interface of this Google Colab, and here you can run powerful Python code and use all the powerful Python libraries. So here when you will scroll down, you will see the introduction. So Colab or Colab allows you to write and execute Python code in your browser with zero configuration required. Similarly, it provides you the access to the GPUs free of charge, and it also provides you an easy method to share your code. So these are very few advantages of Google Colab, and you will get to know about its benefits once we will proceed in this course. So for now, let's look at some basic operations which we can perform inside this Google Colab. So as we are using it for running our Python code, so here inside this Colab, if you want to run a Python code, you need to create a code cell. So a code cell is similar to this one. So there you can see in this cell, we are declaring a variable with the name seconds in a day. And then we are assigning this value to this variable, and after that we are printing the value of this variable. So this is a very simple Python code, and we will learn about this syntax inside our upcoming lectures. But for now you can see these two lines here, and these are present inside a code cell. So if you want to execute this code, you can simply click on this run button and the code present inside this cell will be executed. So I will click on it. So here for the first time, it will gonna take few seconds to allocate resources to your notebook file. And once done, you will be able to see the RAM and the disk associated with this Colab. And here the execution of this cell is completed and we got this output. Similarly, here you can add more code cells if you want to. Like if I will click on this code plus button, you will see a new cell is added, and here you can write any other Python code. Like I can write a is equal to 5 and then I can print the value of this a. So now let's run it. And there you can see we got the output is equal to 5 here. Similarly, you can add this code cell anywhere inside this notebook file. And after that, apart from these code cells, you can add one more type of cell, which is a text cell. So there you can see, apart from this code cell in this file, we also got these comments. So when you will double click on them, you can see these are also editable, and these are basically the text cells. So you can also add these text cells by clicking on this plus text icon, and a text cell will be added. So you can add as many code cells and as many text cells and easily arrange your code. So that is a basic introduction of Google Colab, that inside it you can write your Python code and execute it without installing any software inside your computer. And now let's see some basic operations which we can perform inside Google Colab. So just like any other IDE or any other code editor, here you can create multiple code files. And a file in Google Colab is called a notebook. So here when you will click on this file button, you will see this option for new notebook, open notebook and upload notebook. Similarly, you can also download or save your notebooks here. So the standard format for storing this notebook or the code file is IPYNB, which is for Python notebook. But you can also save it as a Python file with the extension py. So here let's create a new notebook so that we can see it, and then we are going to download it and then we are going to open it. So there you can see our new notebook file is created, and here we are going to write a simple code like we can set a is equal to 10 and then we can print the value of a. And now let's run this cell. So there you can see the cell is executed and we got the output is equal to 10. So now you can change the name of this notebook by simply clicking here. So I can name it starter. And after that, if you want to download it, then you can click on this file and then go to download and download it as a notebook file. So there you can see the file is downloaded. And now if you want to open this downloaded file, then let's just firstly close it, and here inside our original notebook click on file and then this upload notebook, and then you can browse to the location where you downloaded it. So I got it here, so I will select it. So there you can see our notebook file is opened. So these are some basic operations which we can perform inside Google Colab. And inside upcoming lectures, we are going to use this Google Colab for training our advanced machine learning models for mobile applications.